My working day was spent in the majority of the Gold Coast. A nice, beautiful city, but not a lot of free time between client meetings. So I had a bit of lunch in a food court. Only about 3 people on the planet will understand why I've recorded a video there. But back to Brisbane and back to work. The rest of the video is going to be my evening. New evening, and I'm going to watch the movie at the cinema. It's very unassuming from street side. However, Newmarket, yeah, still very unassuming from street view. I'm going to do something I never do and ask to see a movie that's already started. What a beautiful foyer. Cool. Titan Lux, Dolby Atmos. Ah, because it's magnetic. It's so good. There we go. Focus. 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 Whoa. Can you do it? Wee, there you go. 22:37 out of the cinema and in the Newmarket area. And the train has arrived, but I think it's away from the city, so I might be in luck. Ferry Grove, yes. Fine. It's nothing quite like a panic. I'm going to miss me train. Anyways, white billboard behind me. Perfect space to do a movie review. Yes. It's a solid, good, I think 7 or 8 out of 10 movie. I liked quite a lot of it. There's not much to nitpick at. But the reason I drop it away from like 9 or 10 is, and it's a very, very hard thing to get me on a 9 or 10, and that is rewatchability. I don't think I'll go back to watching it again, but it is still a very good movie to watch. I'll not spoil the overall thing, but Ryan Gosling in this, really, really good. Earth's threatened by, I'd say, basically a non-vicious entity. And it's like kind of a bit of The Martian meets Gravity meets Guardians of the Galaxy. But yeah, there's like a mix of lots of other influences. And I thought, this is not a spoiler, but Rocky has a mate. And basically they can't communicate with each other. So Ryan Gosling's character determines that the most beautiful name for Rocky's partner has to be
Rocky! I love you!
There's fucking dramas. It's terminating at Bowen Hills, which means I've got replacement bus services, which means I'll not get home until well after midnight. Yay. Hello. Replacement bus service. Replacement bus service. Now new bus. Yay. Yeah, that's when I'm getting home.